What if you could hire an employee that worked for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, sharing your knowledge, marketing your business, all while you either slept, focused on things that you were really genius at, or even for that matter, on vacation? Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, that's exactly what video is today. Your hardest working employee that you will ever have. Furthermore, thanks to AI, this revolution has democratized video, eliminating the need for extensive expertise in filming and having a complex understanding of video editing. So if you didn't guess it by now, we are in the midst of a video revolution. So welcome to day 25 of my 90-day video challenge. I wanted to talk also about the fact that we are in the midst of a video revolution. So what do I mean by a video revolution? Video right now is your 24/7 employee. It is your hardest working employee that you will ever have. And it is that because, particularly when you're using it on a platform like YouTube, but this actually relates to any platform that you're on, your video represents you. Your video markets you. Your video shares your knowledge and expertise on your behalf, whether you are actively sitting in front of your computer or if you're sleeping or if you are on vacation. Does not matter. And there aren't a lot of other platforms that are going to be able to do that for you. Yeah, you can, have a post or have a blog or something like that, but people are going to have to actively go to your website or go to the platform where your blog is at or the social media posts. They just happen to have to see it through their feed. Whereas with video, particularly YouTube, if they are searching and you are providing them with a solution to a problem that they're experiencing, they will be able to find your content based on that. And that could be in the middle of the night for you. That could be 2 months after you posted that video. It could be 5 years after you posted that video, especially if you're creating content that's considered evergreen, meaning that it never goes out of style. It's not a trend. It is something that is static, that is always going to be in existence in your industry or in your niche. Those are going to guaranteed be able to still get you views beyond the day that you post your video. The other reason why we are in the midst of a video revolution is thanks to AI. And so, unless you've been living under a rock, you are well aware of the fact that AI has now democratized video. So you don't have to be, when I first started, you needed to have expertise in understanding how to film, understanding how to light, all of the audio requirements, and then Lord knows you needed to know how to edit your videos. Today, you don't need any of that. You can use your smartphone, you can use your web camera, you can use, most people have access to some kind of microphone. I happen to be using for this particular presentation a USB microphone that's plugged into my computer, but there are lavalier microphones. I don't have mine that's handy, but those can just be attached to your clothing, and they're great if you're using your smartphone. So it's really easy to film yourself. And then it's even easier nowadays to edit your videos thanks to AI, because there's either easier platforms that you can use and understand that are very like 1, 2, 3, you do this, boom, it's done. Or you have tools that actually can edit theoretically for you by just doing automatic edits, like removing your arms and dead spaces and bad takes and things of that nature. So it's really a lot easier these days in order for you to get started creating videos.